Hi there, it's Jason Sassine from Jason Real Estate, and it's my absolute pleasure to be able to present to you this magnificent privately built home located in the prestigious Maple Estate, Greenvale. Only 2 years young and measuring approximately 29 squares, this quality built home features gas ducted heating, refrigerated cooling, 4 great sized bedrooms, open plan living, including a second living room and a double garage. It's your home at 28 Lemonwood Drive, Greenvale. Designed and built with space, luxury and quality in mind, 28 Lemonwood Drive, Greenvale is a family favourite they'll enjoy all year round. I hope you enjoyed the tour. My name is Jason Sassine from Jason Real Estate, and I look forward to seeing you at my next inspection. Thank you for watching.